Muna siya ang ato ang upstream side, ang flood is going downwards. Katong kanang access road of Uruguay project na makita ninyo was the entry of the heavy equipment. Kay kamalungong na kanang daghan kaayo siyang structures na siya along this river, along this kaning among i-construct na wetland, maglisod kita og sulod. Sometimes we would ask permission from the private owners na we would be allowed to enter their property. In fact, kung musulod mo ani nga area mo agi mo okay nga mo hangyo nga makasulod. So, mo agi ka din ha, if manotice ninyo, di pa din kompleto ang ato ang development. There are still gaps. Kulang pa din kayo atong funds to compete and to seal off and to close yun sa mga gaps na para na mo lang makatulong na maghayang na masigado na din siya na ato ang kaning flood control structures. Then, dito, from that entry, it's about, pila to meters, Rachel? That's around from the access, around 50 meters from that access towards the damaged portion. Grabe kayo ang challenge para makaabot ka ating area. I was there last Sunday. So if mo access ka from that kung maglakaw ka kay lakawon na kinali mo, muagi ka on very rough road, and then o mutuyok ka, muagi mo ka anang kaya kita ko ng mga balay like blue na red. So kung mayroon ka na siyang passage na mo squeeze through ka sa imo hangtuan para makaabot ka diha anang damaged portion. So ang flood water was so huge, ang iyang intensity, grabe kakusog na murag, ang estimate nato is mura o kakuan mo og Olympic na swimming pool, murag tulo ka Olympic swimming pool ang dibaha diha lapitan. And then the water, ang ato ang revetment was designed for the passing sa tubig nga ug magdala siya mga basura ba na diha, natay protective measures diha, pero along sa riverway, sa waterway, but that at the back, wa na mo na-foresee na kusog kaayo nga moabot na to nga uwan, na makasulod siya atong i-provide na access ng mga heavy equipment, nga doon na gawin na damage na houses, katong mga shanties, itong mga gaan na kaayo ng mga houses. So, and then ang back was not designed yun sa intensity sa tubig nga mo rumpo bitaw at the back kay sa atubangan ato ang ipanalipdan nga muna siya design ito. So further, ang explain is our based on our inspection on the day, I inspected on a Sunday and it happened on a Friday. But there were representatives from our office who inspected on a Saturday. Then reports were sent through text messages that the project was in accordance to plans and specification. If you notice, have you seen the progress pictures? That was based on the plan. There was really that reinforcing bars, maybe wala pa to siya na reinforce kaya wala pa na to mabuhusi. Maybe natay kulang na picture na nakompleted na to nga section, no? So if we could present them, we could present it to them. Sige, sir.
So na-cleared ang contractor why no, not even any leakages.
Dili siya clear kay he still has an obligation to comply because this is still under the warranty period. And then buutan na sa nagkatong contractor kay ang uban pa ato, they will base it on a force majeure basis. Of force majeure to kay dapat itong kakusog at the design was this amin yung apaw na to, marag di na kayo, pero buutan na sa si contractor taon, wala no kanang violent reaction. For the good of the people, for the good of the constituents, ayaw nila, no questions asked, naadayon sila.
Okay.
Kuan dayon sila sa resources nila, ni mobilize na